Ever wondered how to bring about tranquility in the midst of chaos? Today we delve into the world of herbal remedies for mental wellness. Nature has always been generous, gifting us with a plethora of herbs that can help nurture our mental well-being. Join me on this journey as we unlock the calming power of herbs. First on our list is lavender. Known for its calming properties, lavender is a powerful herb that helps reduce stress, anxiety, and insomnia. The delightful aroma of lavender can instantly uplift your spirits and promote a sense of relaxation. Enjoy lavender as a tea, use it as an essential oil, or incorporate it into your bath for a luxurious and calming experience. And next we have chamomile, a delicate herb that naturally relieves stress. Chamomile contains apigenin, a compound that binds to specific receptors in your brain, thus reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. A cup of chamomile tea at bedtime can help you unwind after a long day and prepare for a peaceful sleep. Moving on, we explore the benefits of ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb. Revered in Ayurvedic medicine, ashwagandha combats stress and promotes mental clarity. It helps your body adapt to stressors, balances cortisol levels, and enhances your resilience. Ashwagandha supplements can provide you with a natural way to manage stress and anxiety. Lastly, we have lemon balm. With its uplifting citrus scent, lemon balm is a fantastic mood booster. Known for its calming effects, it reduces agitation and promotes a positive outlook. A cup of lemon balm tea is not only delicious, but also a delightful way to unwind. Incorporate it into your daily routine and witness its gentle embrace enhance your overall mood. Incorporating these herbs into your routine can be simple and soul-nurturing. Whether you're sipping on lavender tea, enjoying a cup of chamomile tea before bed, taking ashwagandha supplements, or indulging in the aroma of lemon balm, these herbs can seamlessly integrate into your self-care rituals. Remember, prioritizing your mental well-being is paramount, and these natural remedies are here to support you. And there you have it, a guide to calming herbs that can nurture your mental wellness and bring serenity into your life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more soothing content. Embark on your journey with these wonderful herbs and find peace in their embrace. Until next time, take care and be kind to your mind.